So this one is made just out of a regular t-shirt. I just had a couple of extra t-shirts, and I kind of just eyeball it, but it's just kind of just making a round oval shape. And then you kind of come down a little bit straight on this side. And you can make this any size that you need for kids or adults. And then you just take the end and you're going to do a heart shape. So you just fold it over like that, and you're just going to do your heart shape. So you've just got a heart at the end. You just take it, and you could just wear these singly, or that one has paint on it. You could just wear it singly or doubly, and you just take it and you twist it around your ear like this on one side. You twist the heart, and then you twist the other heart on that side. And there you have it. You just got a basic mask that just covers your nose and your mouth. And you can just adjust it however you need. You could fold this down a little bit if you need to. And it's just that simple. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs.